Okay, so in this back hatch there's a couple of things. This one's going to be on what's in the toolbox. So this little clear toolbox here. Here's what we got. You have a wheel lock. This is used in case you get it flat. It attaches to these. It allows you to take those lug nuts off. It has this is a rubberized attachment here that allows you to connect to a hose that doesn't have threads. That's common at campgrounds. They don't want you to hook up and just leave it hooked up. So you connect this, you can fill up the tank, and you disconnect it. Just a little bit of Velcro tape there. Let's see. And then of course you'll also have, let's see, put this down. Alright, you'll also have this attachment here, which I just used in another video, and this is used to connect to a power drill to bring the stabilizer jacks down. Okay, underneath we have a box cutter. These are mantles for the lanterns that are inside, and you can use just kind of a scrubbing brush here, scissors. This is the key to the spare tire. So the spare tire has a lock as well. It's right here, and this opens up, and this key will unlock the spare tire. Okay, see what else we got here. That's my drill. That's not included though. That was just for another video. Okay, so in here we have fuses. I don't think it's been opened, but all the fuses in there. This is called a dog bone. So what this is for is this allows you to take a 50 amp plug and turn it into a 30 amp plug, because I have a 30 amp plug on this trailer. You have a small extension cord, handy for these outside plugs. This is a pipe wrench. It's not for anything in particular, it's just kind of extra stock. Some campsites have cable, and this is a cable connector here. There's a longer one in the front hatch. So that's what's in the toolbox.